Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the keyboard part of your workflow immediately. Position your chair and keyboard so your forearms are parallel to the floor. This reduces strain and improves accuracy. Once done, connect the keyboard, plug USB, enable Bluetooth pairing, or insert the dongle, and confirm the OS recognizes it. Make sure your layout and input language match the keyboard. Test letters, enter, backspace, and modifiers to ensure all keys respond before moving into technique training. You now build muscle memory through repeated, focused practice. Place fingers on the home row, left on a SDF, right on JKL, and return there after each key press to anchor your hands. This reduces reach and errors. Practice touch typing so you look at the screen. Light, consistent keystrokes increase speed and reduce fatigue. Then learn modifier combos like Control/Alt/CMD with letters for shortcuts. These save time and become reflexive with short daily drills. You finish by tailoring the keyboard to your work and handling problems quickly. Customize key mappings and macros so repetitive commands require fewer keystrokes. This boosts efficiency. Make sure to run timed typing tests and incremental drills to track improvement. Adjust speed goals gradually. If a key or the device stops responding, first check the connection, battery level, and drivers, then clean around keycaps for debris. If issues persist, try another port or reboot to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.